Hello, I'm Christine Hope with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Select Properties, and I'm standing in front of my newest listing at 605 Settlers Circle in St. Peters, Missouri. Located in the Homestead Estates subdivision and Fort Zumwalt School District, we're close to Mid Rivers Mall Drive and Mexico Road. This two-story home features a sunken living room with wood-burning fireplace and a bay window that allows you park-like views of the backyard. Also on the main level, you've got a laundry room and a half bath, and you also have a formal dining room, which today doubles as a classroom for remote learning. On the second floor, you've got 4 bedrooms in all, one being your master bedroom and ensuite. And then in the basement, you've got a walkout, framed, today unfinished, but just waiting for your personal touch. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this fantastic property in St. Peters. If you have any questions about this listing or any other listing, please don't hesitate to give me a call directly at 314-605-9113. Until next time.